In this lesson, we will talk about cell referencing. In Excel, when we create formulas, we refer to different cells, and these cell references tell Excel where to find the data. There are three types of references. One is relative, the second is absolute, and the last one, it's mixed. Relative cell referencing means that when you copy a formula from one cell to another, Excel automatically adjusts the cell references based on the new location. For example, here we have D2 plus D3, and when I copy the formula, you see that Excel will copy the formula and also will change automatically the references from this sum formula. Absolute cell referencing lock a cell reference so that it doesn't change when copied. You do this by adding a $sign before the column letter and row number. In our case, let's say that I will add here a dollar by pressing F4. You see, $sign, it's also in front of our column letter and in front of our row number, meaning that in this case, Excel will keep this D3 cell for every other formula that I will drag. So now if I will drag here the formula, Excel will add always D3 in the other formulas. So this is the absolute cell referencing. And the third referencing method is the mixed one, where we can lock, for example, in our XLOOKUP function that we talked earlier, we have some full absolute range locked because we want to extract data from a given range from our salary table. But for sure, I can play combining, let's say here I will unlock the A column, and in this way I have created a mixed cell referencing, meaning that Excel will know that column A it's dynamic and it will fix only the row number. So mainly these are the most important things that you need to know regarding absolute and relative cell referencing in Excel.